Hello everyone, welcome back to the native channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can add a logo on your videos using CapCut for PC. So the first thing to do is to launch your CapCut, and you don't want to create a project. So the next thing from here is to import the main video that you want to edit to the timeline. So you do that by clicking on the import button right here. So once the video has been imported, you'd want to drag that to the timeline to start editing. Alright, so the next thing to do is to import the logo that we want to add to our video. So go again, click on import, and then import the image. So once the image has been imported into CapCut, you'd want to simply drag that on top of your video. Alright, so the next thing from here is to place your image accordingly. And now you can see that the image is now valid on the video, and the next thing we want to do from here is to resize the image properly. And once you have resized it, you'd want to put it where exactly on the video you want it to be. So once that has been done, you can also make the image a constant across your video. If you want the logo to be shown throughout your video, just go ahead and drag it this way all the way to the end of the video. So let's just play back a little bit to see how that looks. Alright guys, so that's how to add a logo to your video using CapCut for PC. Thank you for watching the tutorial. Kindly like and share the video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.